Here's a simple way to prove your expertise. I received this email about a free roof estimator where the customers can go in, enter some information, and get a quote on a roof, which is huge here in my market. So what I did was I recorded this video showing my viewers exactly how to do this, put the tool link in the description box, and I tell them this so they can estimate the roof from afar, because in my market everyone gets concerned about the roof, and while they're looking they might be researching and whatever to figure out just how much it will cost. It gives them peace of mind, and it shows, hey, you're the expert here, you're going out and finding this information and giving it to me. So search for these things. You could Google search it, ChatGPT search it, online tools to estimate repairs, paint, countertops, flooring, and maybe you do a whole video of those showing people how to use it and give them the links. Prove your expertise and knowledge and give them information that they are absolutely looking for when they're purchasing a home, because sometimes even if the home is brand new, they want to do something to it. If the home is in bad shape, like if you're working with an investor, or maybe a new investor, not necessarily someone that is experienced, they have their own team, but there might be somebody that's interested in getting into the flipping business, and they can just start to understand costs to see if things are, make sense for their wallet and their business. And again, no, I don't care where you are, the roof is a big thing. And if you're not in this community and I'm in Florida, maybe this one won't work for you, but there might be another roofer or contractors or online tools for you to use to promote in either your posts or your videos. Now, in this video, just so you know, I did all voice. I did not put my face on it because I literally now am sitting here in my pajamas. I saw it. I had a couple of minutes. It's easy enough to record when I don't have to worry about my hair and my makeup. And I got the content out there. So remember, you don't always have to be on camera. It can be a post, just a written post, something that you've designed in Canva or whoever does your marketing. And if you see here, I branded myself throughout. This is a little over 3-minute video. So as they're looking at this, my name and number are here. And remember, this will go out onto YouTube and all my social channels. Doesn't mean that just people in my local market are looking. There could be people, buyers from all over the country, and you never know when they're going to move into your market or reach out to you for something. So prove your expertise, prove you care, find items on the internet that will help your buyers make a good informed buying decision when they're moving into your community. Stop chasing, start attracting. Thanks for watching.